Do you want to change country on X account? You can change country on Twitter X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your country on X account, first, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. From the menu, tap on Settings and Support. Now, from the expanded menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with different options. From here, find and tap on your account. Again, a new screen will open. Tap on Account Information. Here you will see different account info. Find and tap on Country. Now, a list of countries will appear. Select your preferred country from the list or type your country name in the search box. A new screen will open. Confirm the change by tapping the Change button. Now, your country will be updated on your X account.